How to solve package installer keeps stopping in Xiaomi or Redmi. So if you want to solve package installer keeps stopping in Xiaomi or Redmi, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find the apps section. Tap on apps and then go with manage apps. Once you tap on manage apps, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then you need to select show system services. Once you've selected that, you need to search for package installer. Once you search for the package installer, you need to tap on the package installer. Now you need to just go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and force stop the application. You might have package installer, the other one, and here go with clear data and then clear the cache. And if you find the option of force stop, you need to go and force stop the application, or you can just simply go and clear your cache, and after clearing your cache you can go and restart your device and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.